senator and a member of the 8th Nigerian National Assembly, representing Kogi West Senatorial District, Dino Melaye, reveals reasons for not attending the annual Shiloh program organized by the Living Faith Church, popularly known as Winners, via his Facebook and Instagram page. Dino, the spokesperson of the 2023 presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, said he didn't attend Shiloh 2024 because the Shiloh activities in the absence of Bishop David Abioye, who served as the first vice president of the Living Faith Church worldwide, was awkward. He questioned why Abioye's retirement came soon when he was much younger than Bishop Oyedepo, the founder of the Living Faith Church. He said, "I did not attend Shiloh 2024 because Shiloh without Bishop Abioye is somehow. I can't understand why Bishop Oyedepo, who is older, is not retired, and it is Bishop Abioye who is younger that should be forcefully retired. God did not retire Abioye, only Oyedepo did. Let's watch." Recall that NaijaNews reports Bishop Thomas Aremu and David Abioye's retirement from the Winners Chapel after decades of service. The retirement follows a review of the church administrative policy called the Mandate. Retirement age for leaders at the church has been pegged at 55. Only Bishop Oyedepo can serve for life, according to the new policy. During Bishop Aremu's valedictory service on October 15, 2024, he said, "I don't have a church, and I cannot have a church because God has not infused with me the capacity to do so. This is my church," Aremu said. In Abioye's farewell service on October 18th, he said he will remain grateful to Oyedepo for the opportunity to serve. While Dino Melaye's post has generated criticisms online, the Church of Bishop Abioye is yet to respond to this statement. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.